Welcome to this video, where we will dive into a common problem that often arises when working with parameter packs in C++. The problem we're looking to solve revolves around deducing the size of a parameter pack for a function and determining the number of parameters of a specific type, such as integers. Now, let's jump into the solution. By leveraging the information already present in the parameter pack itself, we can streamline the process. The key lies in a clever usage of template metaprogramming. We can define a struct to count the occurrences of a specific type within the pack, and then use that information to determine the size of the pack. This approach simplifies the code and makes it more elegant. Building upon the previous solution, we can enhance the functionality by incorporating the template arguments directly into the mix. By passing the count of integers as a template argument to another function, we can achieve the desired outcome seamlessly. This subtle adjustment allows us to maintain the template arguments while benefiting from the streamlined solution we've crafted. In summary, we've successfully tackled the problem of deducing the size of a parameter pack and determining the number of parameters of a specific type in C++. By harnessing the power of template metaprogramming, we've crafted an elegant solution that simplifies the code and enhances its readability. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Who knew parameter packs could be this fun, right?